Yo friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious fried dace braised soft tofu recipe. Hope you like it. Tofu tastes great and blend well with fried dace sauce. It's yummy and appetizing. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you want. Fried dace braised tofu. Ingredients: tofu, fried dace, remove tofu from box. Wash tofu. Cubes tofu. Place fried dace into bowl, mashed thoroughly and set aside. Fried tofu until golden brown. Add fried dace. Black soy sauce to add color. Season to taste. Add hot water and simmer. Plate tofu. Wow! Smell great! The tofu is tender and tastes with rich savory gravy taste. It's so delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Tofu helps with weight management. Tofu is relatively low in calories, but high in protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. This makes it an excellent food choice for those who want to maintain a healthy weight or even lose weight. Some research suggests that soy protein, like the protein in tofu, may be particularly beneficial for weight loss. Tofu can reduce menopausal symptoms. The isoflavones in tofu may mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, which may help reduce some symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes. Delicious tofu also improves brain health. Tofu contains several nutrients that may support brain health, including omega-3 fatty acids and lecithin. These nutrients are important in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. Additionally, the isoflavones in tofu may help reduce the risk of age-related brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Tofu improves digestive health. Tofu contains dietary fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and supports overall digestive health. Additionally, soy foods like tofu are sources of prebiotics, which are foods for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Improve eye health. Tofu contains zinc, a nutrient important for maintaining eye health. Zinc is part of an enzyme that converts vitamin A into the form your eyes need to function properly. YouTube. There are 2,000s of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.